achọghọkwa n'ịnọ nọ yunivasiti ka anyị nọ onye ọbụla na-amụrụ ife kwesịrị ekwesị na ya mụrụ ya so ife niile anyị na-ekwu ana m ekele gị na ị na-agba mbọ ọ dị ka nke na-ekwu ya ahụ akpọrọ gị ka m tie oke mana wọkụ netwọk ekwe ha so ihe m chọrọ ikwu na ya bụ na nke mbụ yesterday o nwere onye pastọ kpọrọ onye pastọ na-akpọ yesterday na-ekwu na nwa ya nwoke na-ekwu na nna ya mepere chọọchị nye Yoruba na Ojialagbo Lagos mepere chọọchị na chọọchị o mepere ebe a ka esi akwụrụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ ebe a ka esi emere ihe niile nna ya ndị mmadụ na chọọchị a ka esi akpata ego niile ha ji eme ihe niile ha na-eme mana still ndị be anyị na-ejekwa dị chọọchị na-enye ha ego na-arụ yunivasiti na ihe niile which is very bad mana onye chọọ igere ogere onye chọghọ ọ na-efe ụzọ na Yoruba emego anyị ife onweghị anything good ọbụla si na ndị Yoruba daizi na-enye anyị nothing good will come out from them so ana m agwa ndị mmadụ ndị Igbo especially ndị Igbo onye ọbụla kpọrọ nwe Biafrans ka ha chịkọta mmụọ ha ife anyị nwere karịrị ife ahụ ndị Yoruba na-enye anyị after all ile anya na Yoruba niile ha chana Muslim nweghị nke na-ekpere Chineke ha amaghị ha na-efe arụsị ha so onye anyị bido nke anyị na-eme nke anyị na nke anyị ka njika so onye ka na-ekwu na-asị ka onye Igbo ndị Igbo niile teta n'ụra n'oge abụghị oge ji akụ asịrị ụfọdụ ịpụta ebe niile ha na-akụ asịrị na-ekwu ihe ha ekwesịghị ikwu ọ ife jogburu onwe ya ana m asị ka onye ọbụla teta n'ụra n'oge abụrụ oge ji akụ asịrị na nwara m dịkarị emege nke onye nka eme nka ana m ekele maazị Onyebe Ishike.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
And bless you too.
Maazị Mbam calling from Nnewi right now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Our people must understand. We have to be blessed. We must be blessed. And how? Where? If you do not know the principle of prosperity, and then you should not have it. Caller on WhatsApp.
Yeah, hello, my bishop.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, good morning from here. My name remains Ideji from Asia. And I greet all members of IPOB and all freedom fighters around the globe. So I greet Ohamadike, our supreme leader, Agune Chamber. And I say, may his day be long. You see? So what I want to say is about our prayer, how we pray. So, many people don't know how to pray. And because of what European bring for us, that is what is destroying us. And this Yoruba fraudulent pastor, Yahoo pastor without laptop, come to destroy us. But IPOB have come to stop everything. So my own opinion for what you are saying about prayer is that the best prayer you can do for yourself to be alive in the land of the living is the prayer for your ancestor. The prayer for the land. If you can pray for the land of your community, the land of your state, and ask the land to bless you, and ask your ancestor. Try first to know your recollection, the person that bring you for this world, your ancestor, and greet them. Once they are happy, anything you do will be progressing. But once they are not happy and you continue praying for Jesus Christ that you don't know, that God of your land and your ancestor can never allow you to give gifts to that Almighty God in heaven that is far from you. Why they are not happy. So when your ancestor is happy, that your ancestor will carry that prayer that you are giving that Almighty God to go and give them. But once your ancestor is hungry, he can never allow that your gift to Almighty God to reach him. So that's my opinion. Thank you very much, my bishop.
Thank you. We must continue. Caller on the line.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ada. Go ahead, please.
I've been trying your line to register for the one IPOB family around. I'm calling from Umushu.
Send your name, your phone number, and location to the WhatsApp line. I'll pick it up from there.
Please, I don't know the WhatsApp line.
Do you have a pen with you there?
Yes, I have a pen.
And then take it now.
Okay.
070 815
815
456
456 45 what, please?
6 456
Okay, 456
42.
Okay, 42.
Yes.
So 070 815 456 42.
Correct.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Biafrans, wherever you are all over the world, you must get ready because it is time to go home. You will not understand. Facebook is so shameless, employing Yoruba to handle Facebook. You can imagine the Facebook of our leader. The page has been shut down. And then one begin to wonder, is Facebook still fighting for oil? But of course, they are all feeding from our misery. You people will have to shut down your system. Yes, a caller on WhatsApp. Are you still there? Caller on WhatsApp. Caller on WhatsApp. You're listening to your radio. Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Go ahead, please. Your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, my name is Loki. I'm calling from Italy.
Go ahead, please.
First of all, I want to thank you for wonderful work you've been doing to make sure that our country, Biafra, will be restored. Actually, I don't know the topic of today. I just logged in, so I just let me call. I don't know the topic.
We're talking about ancestral blessing, and I will advise maybe you stand there, listen, you will get what we are saying in no time. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yes, sir,
You're
caller.
welcome.
Thank you. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from?
My name is Mazi Aga Chifugodia. I'm from Oduma, Enugu State. I'm Odiani, Oduma, Anani local government, Enugu State. I'm calling right now from Anambra State, Amambara, Biafran land. Hello?
Go ahead,
Hello?
please.
Mazi Ekelebe Kufu. Maka kisha kujula anyị ihe gbasara ọdịnala anyị na ka esi emepere anya esi emepegasị anya ka anyị wee na-aghọta ọtụtụ ihe na-aga na be anyị nye anyị ihe ndị anya mara bụ nke ha zụrụ anyị ezo bụ ndị ile anyị. Ekelere gị nke ukwuu kenekwu onye isi anyị bụ Ọhamadike, ofu onye na-esiri ọla, ofu onye na-esiri ndị zuu mana ba na-elichi ya. Asị m ka Chukwu okike abịa ma dewe ya ndụ, Chukwu okike abịa ma nyekwu ya amamihe, Chukwu okike abịa ma mekwuo ka mgbe ọbụla ọ pụtara ikwu okwu ka ụjọ na ọma jijiji jide ndị ile ya, ka anyị niile ma Maazị Uche Mefọ ndị niile na-agba mbọ hụ na ewetara Biafra, ka Chukwu okike abịa ma kpuchie ya ka ọkụkọ si ekpuchi akwụ ya, chekwaba ka ichekwa ike cheli ihe na mee ka ogologo ndụ alụsi ike amamihe dịwanyeleva ka wasolu bata na Biafra ma likwe. Hello?
Go ahead, please.
Maazị ekelele gị ukwu ka emesịa nwanne m.
Thank you very much. Yes, a caller on WhatsApp. Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here, Maazị.
Good evening from here.
Good morning from here. This is Mazamo Kamara. I'm from our Mama in Uru East Local Government. I'm from Imo State in Olo Province. My dear brother, I thank you so much for all your work. I thank all radio presenters. My dear brother, you're doing a great job. Going back to the roots is the answer, and whatever you're saying is truth. But the only thing I just want to mention is one of our brothers that said something now about Yoruba people. You know, our leader came out and said, this present Yoruba people, we should work with
my
them for
brother,
now.
my brother, I will not even listen to that. I can cut you off now. Nobody tell me about Yoruba. Come to Lagos and call me from Lagos and tell me that now. Our leader say he will support Omotekun because everybody need to save themselves. If my father tell me to go and work with Yoruba, we tell him he's an idiot. You people stop misinterpreting our leader. Who is the generation of Yoruba we're not talking about? How many, what is the population of Fani Kayode and Ayobanje? Nobody come here and tell me that thing. Our leaders say if Yoruba is serious with Omotekun, we will support them to defend their land. Yoruba have not left us alone. Please change the topic so that I cannot lose my temper, please. Yoruba cannot be put to sign my food. As I'm talking to you now, you are making me to sound how apologetically or what? Please change the topic, I beg you.
It's okay, my brother, but
no, if you continue on that ground, I will cut you off. Yoruba is the reason why Fulani is misbehaving. Yoruba no Fulani are evil. Yoruba supported Fulani from day one till today. Yoruba has not changed the last time I checked. I give it to Kanifayode. I give it to Fela Nicola Koputi. I give it to Ayo Adebanje. I give it to all good Yoruba people all over the world. Yoruba family remain the same, except you want to tell me that Igbos are prostitutes, Igbos are 419, Igbos are thieves, Igbos are idiots, Igbos are ritualists. If you want to tell me that, then go ahead with what you want to say about Yoruba. Because the last time I checked, Yoruba are still saying that, not our people. My father is not an idiot. He's a Biafran. If you agree that Igbos are 419, Igbos are idiots, Igbos are useless, Igbos are hopeless, tell me what that thing you want to say now. Let's go by that. We have said this yesterday, not on my platform. You go to another platform and praise Yoruba. Not here under my watch. Please, will you change it or I should cut you off? We try to pretend so they say we are good people. This is what our father have been doing. Oh, so they say we are good people. Oh, we are very good people. But still yet we are dying in the claws of these people. Nobody should come here and tell me anything about Yoruba. If I lie against Yoruba, let them do it too. You people should respect yourself. You know, sometimes when they want to lie, they say our leader say, our leader say. Are you our leader? Are you our leader? Now, are you closer to our leader? You know our leader more than me. Our leader say, our leader say. Is that what he told you? That is how Nayanya say, anywhere you find yourself, open IPOB family. Everybody start opening company in IPOB. And when you talk to them, they blackmail you. Nayanya say. Anybody don't come here to, you put hand in my mouth, I will bite you. Because the only thing in my mouth is my tongue and my teeth. And I won't let you get to my tongue. I will bite your hand off. Leader say Yoruba. Are you friending Yoruba girl? Your mama na Yoruba. Are you friending Yoruba girl? All these people sleeping with Yoruba girls coming to my platform to tell me nonsense. Go to another platform and talk that, not while I'm here. Get on it. Let's sound politically correct. Let's sound politically correct. Let's sound methodically. Let's try to be diplomatically. All the diplomatically and politically correct. Look at where he led us to. Without our leader, will we be here? But people don't say they're no Bibo already again. Because of Yoruba. Ikwere no Bibo. Because of Yoruba. Amo no Bibo. Because of Yoruba. Ija no be Biafra. Because of Yoruba. And then because one Yoruba come out and say, oh, what they are doing to Igbo is bad. Why can't you fire there and the rest of them tell you to open your Igbo seaport? Yoruba control their economic space. Yoruba control their government space. Yoruba control their land. It is their life they want to defend. We don't control our land. We don't control our economic space. Our life is threatened. Why has Yoruba not been shouting at all of us? Please, everybody respect yourself. Nobody should come here and tell me how to taste Yoruba and you hide under the claws of our Oga. Oh, yeah, our Oga said we will work with this Yoruba. Go and work with them now. That place you are now, come back to Lagos now and work with Yoruba. I'm telling him to stop it and he's still pushing it. Is that what our leaders say? Omotekun. It was Yoruba that blackmailed IPOB over BSS. Nonsense. Why are we fooling ourselves here? As a child, I just can't bear Igbo man. I said, why are these people so bad? Because Yoruba will be on the TV and on the radio from morning to night. Igbos are 419. Ikechukwu is a kidnapper. Evans is a man campaign. Oh, they are fear. Even FBI is joining them to condemn Igbo. If I tell you that Obama is idiot now, everybody say, how can he curse Obama? How can he? But to shut us down in the first place, FBI of America, part of the conspiracy against our people, was the one telling you that he cut the 80 Igbo people in 419. What are they not projecting it? Are you people that daft? Are you closer to our leader more than me? Our leader has said, I have told you people, call on WhatsApp, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here. Womaba.
Oh, what a name, ma. Go ahead, please.
Okay. I want to contribute a little bit. My people, all hail Biafra. As from Ada Biafra, I want to talk to some people that call because yesterday I wanted to contribute, but the line was so busy. The line today busy, so they are not coffee call, but no problem. So I thank God said the thing I call, I feel pick call today. Most of us, when they talk, say our leader, say our leader.
They
say
should
our
not
leader,
come to
say.
my platform and say that. Yoruba control Facebook in Nigeria. Yoruba have blocked our leader Facebook page. Yoruba have cut me out of Facebook broadcasting now. Yoruba will soon block me on Facebook. And some people you can't say, our leader say, are you closer to our leader than me? No. If you get Yoruba girlfriend, no carry and come here from you. Somebody will open eye and be eating poison. Would the Yoruba be able to, with Fulani being able to ravage the whole of Nigeria without the Yoruba be supporting them? Our leader say then, Judge Onibe will be afraid. Let's not offend our leader. We will die for our leader defending him. You think we don't know his pain? Every word he say, we know what he means. His slightest touch command our obedience. No idiot should come here and tell me our leader say. You think say we come here, come learn work? People they open eye, they post Sansa. You know, no say Sansa don't pass Gary. Just trying to talk to the man in a way we'll understand. Is this butter? But again, you go friend the Yoruba woman, consign me. Your mama na Yoruba woman. Go and teach her our way of life because she's one of us now.
So my contribution is that make una know they call they say our leader say we understand what our leader talk. Now make her tell us say make all of una they get a canuchi. Not be only waiting our leader talk. Not be everything will carry one can say. Say because of he talk that word, no missing na waiting everybody must want to. Me I talk and say before person go see Biafra to take dear to me to go die. Before they go say Biafra person go work follow Omoteku, they must swear because he has soldier big today now. Na Fulani herdsmen na full soldier, na Boko Haram full soldier. See SARS everywhere, na Fefeku na full see police the same thing. So in short, we not go just say our leader say, we go just begin to say because our leader talk now. So
no,
we must open our eyes.
Thunder go fire all of us. If as I'm talking to you now, my father tell me, oh, leave Yoruba. Even God will not tell me that. Because God is fed up of Yoruba lie. God is tired of Yoruba lie. People don't know that God have left Nigeria. God left Nigeria long ago. He's not here. God is no longer here. This is one truth they don't know.
Once VT twice shy. So no go talk say person we don't see what you don't see for life. When I will say make it come follow Yoruba, make it come do this one. Nobody they hate them. Nobody because due to the circumstances. Look at Tinubu today now. Look at if you look at Gowon. Look at all of them. You understand? So
Tinubu actually gave a press statement saying that they know who the Fulani herdsmen are. That is Igbo people.
Okay.
But he will not say anything now because they will attack him. After all, if they didn't catch Evans, who would have believed that Evans is the kidnapper? They should forget about those things they are saying, that they know people who are doing those things. That is why I would rather honor Adeyinka grandson above any Yoruba man that I know. Because he come out and pour his heart for you the way his parents taught him. That is the true son of his father. I don't have anything to do with Chameleon. You think our leader was here telling us, oh, love Yoruba, oh, love Hausa, oh, love Hausa, and then we're talking about Biafra? Why we don't go join 419? You think I want to join Nigerian army, they will not take me? Of course, they will take me and ready to kill me tomorrow. I would have killed many of them before they kill me. Send me to Boko Haram. Idiots. People come out and say, Yoruba. You don't know where, if you know where you climb to, you don't know where you come down.
Instead of you coming out to talk about our leader, say, go and channel that.
Tell me, give me your own reason. You give me your own reason. Our leader say, let's fight for Biafra. He gave us reason. He said, let's support Omoteco. He gave us reason. You give me your reason. Okay. Our leader say. You know, our leader has said, we did this thing yesterday, and somebody still trying to bring it here. And then when you say our leader say, I go to shake. Oh, I'm afraid. Oh, Ndiara. Go and look at all the Yoruba collecting money from us. Yoruba policeman in Ikoku killed one Igbo man because of 450,000. And they said he's at large. Took others to court. They are still holding them. Wike can't even talk because Yoruba will use media and destroy him. When some people say, hey, don't talk to Showore, who destroy IPOB more than Showore with his Shara reporter? Do you people forget so soon? Our leader was in the prison. Showore and his group of idiots were writing against us everywhere. Oh, IPOB is proscribed. We are proscribed. You think we don't have sense? Nobody should bring that here. We keep telling them what they are doing to us. We keep agitating that Nigerian destroy because we are not the same people. We cannot be the same people. We just can't feast. We can't work together. And then if we truly love ourselves, all of them should come out and agitate for the dividing of Nigeria. And so Yoruba angels can be in their own kingdom. Hausa who want to sleep with cow can have their land to themselves. And then let's see we that are criminals stay on our own. Is that not fair enough? Have you seen Yoruba man agitating for the division of Nigeria? If IPOB is not here to agitate that Nigeria be divided, then we are a political party. What are we not saying here? My sister, just summarize. Let's go ahead.
Yeah. So, all we are saying here is that we need protection in our Biafra land. Omoteco don't they let
Omoteco is protecting Yoruba land. Good for them. I love them. But I don't trust them.
We need to protect our own. We need to create our own security. We need to do things, not to remove men to go and join the Yoruba people. Yoruba people, they are okay. They are well okay. They are almost
Thank you very much.
If they want to. Yes, they are okay. We need people. We need that million men in Biafra land to protect Biafra because Biafras are dying every day in police hand, in a SAS hand, in a Fulani herdsmen hand, and all that. Our mothers could not go to farm because of Fulani herdsmen.
They are raping them. Yoruba, do you know Fulani cannot write statements? It's Yoruba that write statements for them. It's Yoruba that write statements for them till tomorrow. Fulani cannot write statements. Did Fanika Ayode not tell them? But I tell you, the day I see Fanika Ayode come out and call for the division of Nigeria, then I will know the stuff is made up of. Until I see Yoruba Hausa Fulani calling for the division of one Nigeria, then all of them, as far as I'm concerned, are hypocrites.
All the people in the Yoruba land, they are all protesting against what the Buhari said concerning Omoteco. When our man Z formed a vigilante group, was it SARS or I can't remember, that they should protect the people, our mothers who is going to farm and all that. That when they went and do the whistle blower and all that for everything for him to go to jail, and they wanted to kill him.
Thank you very much, my sister.
Nobody protests about that. Nobody protests about that. That those people must come. They must stay. Those vigilante must stay. Nobody, but look at Yoruba today. They are all protesting. They are all saying that Amoteku must stay. Amoteku is come. That is, so this is what we want. We want our own vigilante in Biafra land.
Thank you very much.
All this, if people are angry about Yoruba, don't come and be sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Take care of
our people must understand the truth cannot be overemphasized. I don't pretend in my life. I don't pretend. When you call my platform, I beg you. If I stop you, you stop. I'm the person with this mic. At least for now, until anybody cut me off, I am the person with this mic. And I am here to protect the interest of Biafra. Nothing more, nothing less. Nobody interest, not on this radio, why I am on this mic. Adamu Farouk say, if I see Awusa Fulani, they chop another Nigerian man leg. I not go say they bad. And I no guess when I be idiot. Are you still there? Call on WhatsApp.
Good evening from here.
Good evening, okay.
Amadika Memrezu and all his lieutenants and those people helping you, I appreciate all of you. My hands are still up and will continue to up until the end of time. Biafra in Biafra land, we appreciate all of you. Mazi, my brother, I want to say one thing here first. There was a day I called our veteran Ike Peters program, and I said something about Amazonia. He understand where I was going, and he knew I was annoyed. He allowed me. After I said everything, he called letter, and in the same program, he said, please, if you are annoyed, don't call the program, because out of anger, you could deviate or you could do things that you are not supposed, or say things you are not supposed to do. Mazi, why I called you now, I was not opportune to call. Where I am, I'm not supposed to, but I called you, Mazi. You see, in this struggle, I respect only one person, Mazi Nnamdi Okukal, and the struggle, we don't do it with sentiment. Mazi, what has happened now? You see, all this our brothers in diaspora calling, most of them are principal officers, Mazi. They say it has divided against Isaac, and you are serving the public, my beloved brother. When such cases happen, it's better instead of retorting back. This is a platform. People are, my brother, what you do, you just cut him off straight. But whatever he's saying, I was not here.
Let me stop you now. I'm in charge here. I hope you know. Until IPOB says step aside, I'm in charge here. We call Nigerian radio station, and when we talk, they cut us off. And everybody listening know that they don't want to hear from us. And they insult us with that tomorrow. And Yoruba are the one minding it. And now we are here to educate our people so they understand that those who claim to be taking us to heaven are taking us to hellfire. We don't respect anybody here, only our leader. Our leader has given an instruction. And I believe if what I am saying is against what he stands for, he's in the best position to counter me. And when you come, I'm talking about my culture, how Yoruba have bastardized it, and then you deviate all of a sudden from my topic to tell me something because Igbo, all of us can sort ourselves. And then you come and tell me because you have freedom of free speech, you should call Ike Peter, you should call Audio Guinea, you should call another platform, not this platform. Now, what are we not talking? Who are we preaching for? Is it not our people? I can only listen if you are calling from Lagos or Osun State. If you are calling from Yoruba land and tell me good of Yoruba, and then it's understandable. You cannot, nobody in Nigeria, no IPOB member in Nigeria will praise Yoruba here. With what we see they do us, did our leader say we should go and lick their bomb? He said the move Yoruba did to unite and set up Omotekun is mind-blowing. There are many things for us to learn there, most especially Ohanaeze Ndigbo and governors of Southeast. But I've never heard him say that we should go and believe everything they are doing. We should not leave our agitation and pursue them. If Yorubas are this good, why can't Yoruba fight for Igbo presidency before now? Why? And let me tell you something why I don't thoroughly that thing. I have been challenged on this platform by so many people. And I end up discovering that most of them have Yoruba mother or Yoruba girlfriend or Hausa father. Somebody called me from Aba and was cursing, insulting me on this platform. I traced the guy. I noticed his mother is from Usisioma, but his father is a Fulani man. He speaks Igbo. On this radio, I came the next day, I said about it. Because people within that area told me they know him. We followed him. They think he's Igbo man. Somewhere in Usisioma there is a place they have timber market. He know timber there, but his father is Fulani. And so when I say, look at what Fulani is doing, he's angry. But that is the truth of what his father is doing. And then because his mother is Igbo, I will be licking his bumbo. Evil is evil. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Nobody teach me manner here. As a pastor, you don't teach your church member manner. You preach the gospel for them. Can't you people respect my decision on this platform? If you go that way now, trying to teach me manner, I will get angry at you. Because pastor don't force people to be born again. He directs them to be born again. In the first place, I'm talking about our culture. And he brought up that matter. I say, leave it. I understand deception. Deception, I understand how it works. When you are playing that mind game, don't think every other person is idiot. Our leaders say, only that one favors some Yoruba blooded individual, our leaders say. But they don't obey our leader. They honor him with their lips, but their heart is far from him. Is it today? Now today, Nyanshide back. Is it today we start seeing people who are saying holy, holy? And I'm on top of you, I'm bottom you, and I'm by your side, I'm under you, I'm in your rapper. Where are all of them? Our intention is to guide our leader to the end of the journey. And everything he says is a law. Listen, if our leader come and say, George Onibe from tomorrow, sing Yoruba praise. When I finish singing Yoruba praise, all IPOB will become member of Yoruba church. I can assure you that. But let's tell ourselves the truth now. If before you tell me that, don't cause Yoruba now. When you come, tell me that, yes, so Igbos are criminal, Igbos are ritualists, Igbos are 419, Igbo won't Biafra because of all you well, and then let's respect Yoruba. Then what you are saying begin to make sense to me. But if you will not do that, and the person look like a hypocrite to me. I listened to our leader broadcaster know what he said. He said what these Yoruba people are doing is the right thing. And that is how it's supposed to be. They are good to go. But let's just hope they are not bargaining chips. So what are we not saying? We call Nigerian Yoruba radio. They just start to say, no, we cut you off. Or the same law guiding them to use media to lynch us. Wouldn't it guide us here? If you're on Facebook, you know they've cut me off. I wonder why Yoruba have not cut it off again. Is it our Fulani that is cutting us off already? Are you not aware they block our leader Facebook page now? Is it our Fulani that cut it or Yoruba? Is Mark Zuckerberg here in Nigeria? Is it in Biafra land? Who controls our bank? Who controls the economic? Do you know 90% of our Fulani and Yoruba don't have BVM? Who are they hunting down with the BVM? Do you know they don't use register SIM card? Who are they hunting with registration of SIM card? Who is actually the victim in one Nigeria? And then who has sing the praise of our people without this platform? I have said before, when I'm here, I don't praise anybody, only Biafra. And anything outside Biafra, I don't give a hoot who they are. Please, I will advise you, don't advise me what to do about what our leaders say, because I cannot digest it. Encourage our people to focus on Biafra restoration. I will appreciate that, Mazi.
Of course, you trust me, Maz, but what I'm trying to say
if you see bot, I will not take it. No, that is what I'm saying. This is the same thing I did with Rabbi. This is the same thing I did with Rabbi. You can't come here and tell me what to think, how to say. You won't do that. You're supposed to call me after this program and talk to me if you have issue with me. But on this platform, your mouth no go win my mouth. Be rest assured of that. I won't give you that privilege.
Yeah.
So please, change the topic. Contribute to what I'm saying.
Okay.
Forget about Yoruba now.
No, I'm not talking about Yoruba.
I don't want anybody to defend Yoruba here now.
I have never been.
But if you want to defend Biafra, if you want to defend Biafra,
you are pulling me every day. I'm not, whatever, what I'm trying to say here now is this. Mazi, we are not ignorant of whatever that is happening.
But that is the truth now.
For the time being now, let us be guided.
I am over-guided. I am over-guided. Have it at the back of your mind.
Tomorrow morning, I will wake you up.
Over-guided.
Yeah.
Nobody come here to tell me that what you are saying about Yoruba is evil, because that person becomes evil. That person is a slow person. If you get Yoruba girlfriend, must we die for your Yoruba girlfriend? Huh? Yoruba marry Igbo girls, hang all of them for one room. Oju Elegba Oshodi, okay. Abule where you turn. Wait till we know they talk here now.
Okay, I will call you as soon as you finish program in the morning. Call me, I call you. But aside that, Mazi, going back to our route, that's where I stand. But this issue now, I don't want us to overflow.
I have told the guy to cut it off. He didn't cut it off, so I help him. I'm only sending a red signal to him and other people that will come and come in. Our Ogasi. No, we know what our Ogasi.
Mazi, like you know me too well. Mazi, when I see evil, I call evil. I don't care anybody. I don't fear anybody. I don't respect
that
anybody.
Is the spirit.
You know me too well.
Spirit.
Mazi, you know me too well. You're not from Bombak and everybody. Mazi, you are that mic there. You own it. I am on my own. Not from Bombak. You are confirmed. The money, but Mazi, let me say what I want to say now. That I don't want us to overflow this matter. It has happened here, but let us guide ourselves too well. What is on the ground now? This is not time for all of us to come and have looks at it.
What is the problem now is that Yoruba blood are coming to show themselves. No, have you seen Tinubu respond to Omoteko?
This guy that called is the Oregon coordinator.
And so what?
Yes, he's not.
Is it married to Yoruba?
He's not married to Yoruba. He's from Mama.
Is he mama? Is he more than Yoruba?
We're not talking about this now. We are talking way forward now. Mazi, that one is by the gun now. About going back to our roots, I don't have much to say because I will call you tomorrow morning for my own. What I need to do now, what I've sent people to do for me, the whole Arashin on our marker in my village, you have 32. The whole Asia Quafekli, women and Hancha. I'm going to bring them out this time, and I will.
This is what I want to hear.
I will put them.
This is what I want to hear.
Come on.
This is what I want to hear.
I've told him, I've told my son to Biago, and let them organize it. All the other
all of them.
That is in Omaka, in Oba village.
This is what I want to hear.
In Omaka, I will bring up during those days in Easter. Our forefathers and them all, I will bring them.
This is what I want to hear.
They wear them cloth. They wear them cloth. We are going back there. I am going to sponsor that, whatever it will take. I am going to bring all of them. All of them will come out. I'm going to bring them out. All of them will come out. Mazi, we are going back to our roots.
No, you are making me happy.
Let me leave it here.
You are making me happy.
Calm down and be focused.
Of course, I'm focused. I have told them.
Please,
thank you very much.
This is our platform.
Thank you very much. Yeah. I have told you people, if you are hired, you come here, you will not survive it. When I started broadcast, when I come on Facebook, some people will be there distracting themselves. I hardly see them on Facebook again because I give you typhoid fever. Fulani went to Yoruba land to misbehave. Yoruba God kill all the whole cow. Today we have not heard about Fulani going to Yoruba land to do nonsense. But the same Yoruba, the one destroying our gods in the name of church. So who is deceiving who here? Yoruba God kill cow. Yoruba pastors did not destroy the shrine. But our own Yoruba pastor has used all of the idiots to destroy the shrine. And so where are the gods to kill our cow? These are the things I want to hear. As we are speaking now, all those checking points, you give all of them our bet. You think they will be there again? All those Fulani on the checking point now, they wake up in the morning. All of them has contacted EB. Hainia, heavy one. About 50 kg Hainia is on their waist. When the next time they say, go and guide and keep Biafra, they will run. To weakening us spiritually, emotionally, and otherwise. And we are indulging. without saying what they are doing to us. Then why are we crying? Nobody should hide under anybody. Tell me your own. This is where we draw the curtain for this segment. Please, when you call my platform, don't praise Yoruba here. Don't praise Hausa Fulani. Don't praise Saboteur. Only praise Biafra. Only praise of IPOB. Because outside that, nothing is welcome on my platform. This very video now, I would have deleted it because it's not part of my documentary. But because of this conversation, I will leave it. It still remains on Facebook. I will upload it on YouTube. Of course, sincere appreciation for those who come here to encourage us as Biafra. You are making me feel bad. You want Yoruba to feel good.
clarion call from Edith of Fortune Zone 1 in Abia Province, in the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are in this platform for the restoration of Biafra because we are proud of the land of rising sun. Biafrans are blessed with natural resources. We are blessed with human resources. We are blessed with great technology and so on and so forth. We never call for war, hatred. The earlier 18th century, and the Biafra nation has been foretold in the prophecies like Nostradamus 100 back. Other prince, and the other prince will try to subdue his arise, but all will be a failure to them. Biafra is an Asian nation that lies along the Atlantic Ocean of Africa with great potential of greatness. Biafra is a nation that will restore peace, liberation, future hope towards our generation. Our predecessors have fought their own, and we present Biafras are not going to relent or surrender to this struggle. We are determined to restore our holy land, which is Biafra, with one voice, one accord, one command, and one agenda, which is Biafra. We all thank Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiyama for His grace, protection, love, care, because we are all alive in the land of the living. God has organized a seeking peace programs in Biafra land. Biafra, we are great indeed, the kingdom of God on earth. We also thank our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the great prince and an icon, the liberator of this global struggle of our time, and Deputy Mazi 24, and all the principal of state, coordinators, IGroup family members all around the world. This song is from Esijo and Mary from Fortune Zone 1 in Abia Province. All Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless you all in your voice. Say,